IKEA launches the colorful Kulglass Bluetooth speaker lamp across North America and Europe. IKEA has officially launched its new Kulglass Bluetooth speaker lamp, a multifunctional home accessory that blends ambient lighting with immersive audio. Now available in several markets across North America and Europe, the Kulglass is designed to enhance both relaxed evenings and social gatherings with equal ease. Unveiled recently as part of a broader collection created in collaboration with designer Tekla Evelina Severin, Teklan, the Kulglass reflects IKEA's continued focus on combining design, technology, and everyday functionality. The product is offered in two distinctive colorways and features a sculpted glass shade that delivers soft, diffused lighting for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Beyond its visual appeal, the Kulglass functions as a fully featured Bluetooth speaker. Users can wirelessly stream music, podcasts, or audiobooks from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. The lamp also supports Spotify Tap, allowing listeners to instantly resume their last track or episode, or generate a new playlist based on their preferred artists with a single press. In terms of audio performance, IKEA describes the sound output as rich and powerful. The speaker system includes a 1-inch tweeter paired with a 3.5-inch woofer, delivering balanced audio suitable for everyday listening. For larger spaces or social settings, the multi-speaker mode enables users to link multiple compatible Bluetooth speakers for a more expansive sound experience. Usability has also been carefully considered. Both the light brightness and speaker volume can be adjusted via a built-in control knob, with dedicated buttons to switch seamlessly between lighting and audio modes. Pricing varies slightly by region and color. In the United States, the dark green version is available for $99.99, while the red, brown, pink variant retails at $129.99 across European markets such as France, Germany, and Spain. Both color options are priced at €99.99. IKEA notes that the light bulb is sold separately, recommending an LED E27 glow bulb for optimal results. With the Kulglass Bluetooth speaker lamp, IKEA continues to blur the lines between decor and technology, offering a stylish, versatile solution for modern living spaces.